I been a staff. Nigga, where you been at? Been in the fucking house. Pussy ass nigga, quiet as a fucking mouse. But nigga, I'm on the block. Holding chops, nigga, trying to sell some fucking rock. Trying to stack it up for my fam. A real nigga and I ain't never ever gave a damn. Money all I wanna see. Money all I wanna hear. Money machines counting out. Real nigga, that's what I'm about. Pop to, oh yeah, they raised me. And that's why this nigga so crazy. Gun out in your face like pay me. Your bitch on the side acting shady. Yeah, she wanna get close to me. But if she do, I roast her ass like her pistol. These niggas wanna raise their fist to me. So I raise my fist and knock them down to the floor. Cat blow, but I ain't never been a punk. Tie a nigga up and throw him in the trunk. And take his ass to the seminary. And that's the desert where I'm from, did you hear me? These niggas gon' fear me. The shit illness that I got, you can't cure me. Ain't no doctor for this shit. I'm a real hood nigga till I leave this bitch. Till I leave this earth. I'ma do it real and that's my verse. I used to snap some purses. A Lucky Star. Doing it real quick. Just buying 24 ounces. Drinking 40. But now my niggas all bouncing. All my niggas hella out. I'm a real nigga and that's what I talk about. I don't talk about no skinny jeans. A fitted hat, that's what I mean. I'm still up in my Dickie suit, trying to get rich, and they still trying to recruit. Yeah, I switched the fucking state. That don't mean I ain't struggling. Can you hear me, man? I'm still up on that same tip, trying to get a sung out nigga get rich and shit. But these niggas don't feel me. They ready to catch me slipping and try to kill me. Like the police, they want to put a deal on me. The niggas fuck it, only real niggas feel me. Fitted like my fitted cat. These niggas chop, but nigga, they be hella whack. And the beat went off, but I'm a real nigga, still chop it up like a boss. 17 on the fucking block, holding rocks, nigga, with a fucking Glock. Niggas acting shady, acting crazy, fucking nigga pay me. Nigga, that's real though. 2nd Street, that's where I got my skrill though. Second to the fucking first. Shit, it gave me a fucking curse. It ain't no turning back. Man, these niggas hella whack. This is freak off the top, nigga. I swear to God, these niggas ain't gonna make it to the top, nigga.